In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export Shopify themes using the 2025 method. Whether you're looking to back up your current theme or upload a new one, this walkthrough will guide you through each step with clarity and precision. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with exporting your current Shopify theme. Begin by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the main dashboard. This is your home base for managing your store. Here, you'll want to find the online store option in the side menu and give it a click. This will take you to your themes page, where all your active and inactive themes are listed. Once you're on the themes page, you'll notice three dots usually located at the top right corner of the theme you wish to export. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu, and from the options presented, select Download Theme File. This action will initiate the process of backing up your theme by downloading it to your local device. Shopify will prompt you to send the download link to your email. Simply click on Send Email, and the theme file will be sent to your email inbox. This step ensures you have a backup of your theme, safely stored away should you need it in the future. Now moving on to importing a new theme into your Shopify store. Back on the themes page, look for a button labeled Add Theme. It's typically situated around the same area where you found the three dots. Clicking on this will present you with a couple of options. One of them is Upload Zip File. If you've already downloaded a theme you want to use, make sure it's compressed in a .zip format, as Shopify requires files to be uploaded this way. To proceed, select Upload Zip File and then click on Add File from the window that pops up. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to locate and select the zip file of the theme you want to import. Once you've selected the correct theme file, go ahead and click Upload File. The platform will start uploading the theme, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the upload process. After a brief moment, your new theme will be visible in your themes page, listed alongside any other themes you might have. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully exported and imported a Shopify theme. Whether you're customizing your store or preparing for a seasonal sale, having the ability to manage your store's appearance is a powerful tool. Remember, always ensure you have backups before making any major changes. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!